In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Google Play Card. So it's quite simple and quick. So let's get started by opening your Play Store app. So in here, just go ahead and tap on your profile settings. So click on settings. And then you will now see here the 4 options. Just go ahead and choose the redeem code. So this is where you're gonna put your code from your Google Play Card. So I'm gonna show you the sample of Google Play Card, and at the back of the Google Play Card, as you can see here, just go ahead and scratch that one and you will now see the code. Copy that one and enter it to your Google app. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.